Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Suraj from grade 8, studying in Alphabet Techno School. Today, 15 August, is a day of joy, pride, and deep gratitude. We celebrate the day as we breathe the free air. But this independence came at a very high price. Many brave people sacrificed their lives for our independence. I'll talk about Bhagat Singh, one of the fearless son of India, born in India. Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907 in Layalpur, a village in Banga, a village in Layalpur. His father's name was Sardar Kishan Singh, who was a farmer and a prominent member of Gadar Party, an extremist revolutionary party created to overthrow the British rule in India. His mother, Vidyavati Kaur, was also a brave woman. She effectively ran the household when her husband got repeatedly arrested by the British government and shielded her family during endless colonial raids. Bhagat Singh's life was short, but it was a fiery wave of revolution. He did not fight alone. He fought along with his friends like Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev, Rajguru. Their famous act of revolution was in was with his friend Batukeshwar Dutt, where they threw an low intensity harmless bomb into the Central Legislative Assembly. Their goal was never to kill or harm anyone. The bomb was designed for only making a loud noise. They threw pamphlets and shouted the immortal slogan, Inquilab Zindabad.